ROG Ally, the most anticipated handheld console from Asus, just got released, and judging by the immediate impression, everyone assumed it would take over the place of everyone's favorite Steam Deck. However, there are a few drawbacks such as questionable battery performance, wacky buttons, and a few other notable issues which need to be addressed. Let's go through it in detail, shall we?
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Although the immediate response is pretty great, but it wasn't as clean as fans thought it would be. According to many reviewers, it came out with several notable flaws which certainly might push it back towards its goal. Under the hood, it's powered by Ryzen Z1 Extreme Zen 4 processor with a maximum boosted clock speed of 5.10 GHz, which is really powerful compared to Steam Deck's custom Zen 2 APU. But this is a really power-heavy processor and it drains away a huge chunk of the battery within an hour. Also, it's powered by the same 40 watt-hour battery as the Steam Deck. According to Wired, most PC games weren't designed to account for hardware like the Ally, which eventually caused a lot of power draw even whenever any game is running. Users also complained no matter what games they were playing, be that AAA or 2D games, the battery was just not capable of lasting even for nearly 2 hours. Apart from the battery, reviewers also reported a few other issues such as a glitchy interface and Wi-Fi connection errors. As for the build quality, ROG Ally is really appealing to look at. The entire chassis is made out of plastic with premium feels all over it, and it features an Xbox-style ABXY button layout which made many fans happy. But unfortunately, these buttons are not as smooth as fans thought it would be. The Verge also reported this same issue earlier in the review, saying 3 of them kept getting stuck while pushing them from an angle. Also, if you compare the overall button layout to Steam Deck, it lacks the additional trackpad, which might not be a big deal, but it definitely adds an extra perk to the device when it comes to playing games such as RTS and MMOs. On the bright side, the display is sleek and smooth that every handheld gamer could ask for. The 7-inch touchscreen with 1080p resolution featuring a 120Hz refresh rate and 500 nits of brightness looks and performs absolutely stunning. And since Asus is officially in partnership with Microsoft, users will also get the first 3 months of Xbox Game Pass for free right out of the box. In the end, ROG Ally is a $700 portable handheld console which might not be the same as their competitor, but it's much closer. Yes, it does provide a powerful processor with decent internal hardware, but it's far from perfect. In short, it has the potential and still has so much work to do if Asus really wants this handheld to become the next Steam Deck. So that was all about today's video on ROG Ally and its truth. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.